Today we have a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Target Shoplifter Tries to Steal Again, Miserably Fails.
On July 1st, 2025, officers responded to Target after reports of a shoplifting incident.
Hello guys.
Hi.
I'm here because
kid.
Target called and said you stole something.
I'll go take it back.
Well, I don't know if they're gonna... Wait, you obviously know you said something. If you said I'll take it back.
Should we just...
Well, just wait here. We'll see what Target wants to do. What I mean,
I'll just go.
well, just wait. What did you take? I don't want to cause a scene inside. I'll just see if they can come out here and we can figure it out. Like maybe you opened up some OC spray or pepper spray or something. They said. And
You opened up pepper spray? Yeah, I did. Because I thought they
Come
were
on. They know your name already because you've been here before stealing for something.
No, I haven't.
Well, they provided us your name.
I never stole from here, ever. In my life.
Okay, I'm just telling you what our notes say on the call. So, is this your daughter or who's this? Okay. So, you opened up pepper spray. What else did you steal?
And she had canvas.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't have I'm sorry.
You've never been arrested before or anything? Have you? I'm gonna find out. So, I mean, we can like be done here in a minute and write you a ticket, or we can make it a big deal. Like, we're not trying to do that. If we can write you a ticket and be done, we'll be done. Like,
But I mean, like, I could pay
so,
for it.
I don't know what Target wants to do. They called. If you could have paid for it, you should have paid for it before you came outside, right?
Great. I can write it down.
No. What's your last name? Okay. Is she on the ticket, born in '94? All right. I'm just gonna go in and tell her we're writing that ticket and being done with it. That's exactly. Okay. I'll be right back. All right. Well, they're waiting for you. I'm like, what are we doing?
I don't know if I'm like allowed to go out there because we're not, but I can go.
So she said she didn't pay for a red skirt and she took a pepper spray.
And that tote bag that's in there?
Whatever, if you want to get whatever you want to get, and then has she been here before?
Yep, she's been here before. She goes to, she's been apprehended at Woodfield. She travels to Elgin. To a lot of places. She just doesn't.
Okay, so have you been arrested from here before?
No.
So she hasn't been arrested at our store before.
Not in our store. She was apprehended at Woodfield in December.
Okay.
Very good. I'm sorry. I could pay for it. I really can't.
But what about like all the other times you got caught? She said you got caught in Schaumburg in December for stealing from Target.
Yeah, that was a totally misunderstanding.
Well, you have your warrant right now.
Yeah,
they're saying it's valid from Cook County, not Kane.
No, I have my probation tomorrow. Look, I'll tell you.
Tell me what the computer says.
I'll show you.
I get that, ma'am. All I can go off of is what that says.
I'm on probation. Look.
For what?
Probation.
For what? What are you on probation for? For retail thefts, for batteries. What are you on probation for?
It's from a long time ago.
Okay, I get that, but what are
What's the crime? Hello? Was she slow?
If you don't just put you on probation for nothing, what are you on probation for?
A misdemeanor.
Okay. What was the charge that you're on probation for?
For, I think, taking something.
For retail thefts. Okay.
In Cook County, but I have probation. I could call him right now. I talked to the judge. I'm coming in and I'm paying the $40 to quash in, and they're gonna see me, and I'm gonna do my drug test and do everything.
Do you know, like, if you would have just paid for all this, none of this would have happened today? But I mean, it sounds like you might have a problem, right? Like, you keep doing it.
I don't.
You're on probation for retail thefts. You got trespassed in December from another one, and you like stole from here before?
No, yeah, I've never been at
Like, they have your picture everywhere. They know who you are.
Just stop. You have attitude with our security officers.
No, I never have attitude with them ever. I'm respectful to everyone.
It's a Cook County warrant. Here's the quash for it. She's got like 4 or 5 arrests. We can't write her another P ticket. She's on probation for retail theft. Yeah,
why would they not do that? Why would they not update it?
I don't know if they have or not yet. So she said she just left there with the warrant.
I believe it.
She's like, I just left court.
traffic offense. This is the only warrant I see in here.
I have some paperwork for the warrant that was issued today with the same 24MT number. It says that it's quashed and she has a new court date on July 9th. Can you advise that to county and make sure that that's okay?
And I just came from there.
I know, I got you. Oh.
We just dropped it off.
Can you go grab a receipt with the prices for me real quick?
Yeah, she had a
She put something in the car when I got here, so.
concealed merchandise too.
Okay. So she put something in the car too that she stole too. I don't know why she's trying to be tricky about this. Let's grab the bag you stole out too. Just come on, let's just get this done. Stop playing games. You have you've done this. You have a problem. Let's just fix it and be on our way for real. Otherwise, I'll tow the car and do all this. I don't want to do that. All right. Let's just act like an adult and know what we did and be done with it.
And there's another cover spray.
It's probably maybe it's in that
I
bag.
gave it to the front. You could go to
I just found it.
Okay. Well then.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's in there.
Yeah.
So can you, if she can get this up, if we want to take her to the PD, I'll get everything from here and do everything, so help you out.
Let's go ahead.
So she has a Cook County warrant and a Kane County warrant. The Kane County warrant looks like it was quashed, but not the Cook County warrant, so she'll have to go with us. We'll see if there's a bond amount. They might even say, like, just release her with a new court date. I don't know when the case is from, but we're going to take her and charge her with all the stuff she stole today, because it's not like it's her first time.
Wait, you need all mine?
Everything you stole today is what we need. She knows what you stole, so this bag too.
We'll just take the cart and then review everything. I need the milk though. Yeah, that's fine. We know.
What do you have receipts for before we have to do this 4 or 5 times?
There's nothing.
I just want to make sure you haven't been honest with me today so
Okay.
far, so.
Here, Mom.
I mean, I don't know, there's this Dove stuff. Is this stuff that was stolen too?
No, I had.
I'm just asking. I don't know.
That's some little dollar travel size joints.
I mean, if they scan this and it comes here, like, what about this Solce Gennaro stuff that doesn't look like it's been opened?
That's not from you.
I'm just, I mean, this is what happens.
Open. You could open it. It's open. Looks
Okay. I believe you. What about these though? What about these? She has the camera, so there's more stuff she stole. All right, well, you do have a Cook County warrant, so we got to deal with that.
I was going tomorrow. I didn't have it all scheduled.
I don't know what to tell you.
Come on.
Don't steal and you wouldn't have been caught today. Like, I'm sorry, I don't feel bad for you when you keep doing the same things. Maybe the warrant they'll let you leave, I don't know. Maybe they'll just be like, oh, you're free to go.
You said that. Yeah, I see.
You want me to stay here and get all this stuff taken care of for you?
Well, if I have it situated now.
You have to go with us no matter what. We have to process you for stealing all this stuff again. So, I don't know. And then we'll find out on the way there, hopefully, what the warrant information is, and you can call Mom and tell Mom what you need. When was, like, I don't know if it's an old case, there'd be a bond amount. If it's not an old case, then you're going to get a...
For support, that's what for probation, and I can call my probation.
I know you can, but that's not... your probation officer's not going to be doing anything for us, unfortunately. Like, we can only go off of what our computer says. If you had the Kane County warrant, like, you had the paperwork, so we were totally cool with that. I would have just been like, it's quashed, you can do it July 9th, but you got to go county warrant.
So what are we going to do?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the station and just start working on this. So
She's a train wreck, man. I mean, train wreck. She has a serious problem. You keep doing the same thing. You keep getting caught for the same crime. You're not even doing different stuff. Typically, people, whatever they'll do a crime, whatever, they get caught, they figure out, all right, well, this ain't working. Let me try to do this. Then they do that, and they bouncing around they just a menace doing all different types of stuff. You doing the same thing, getting caught time and time and time again for the same thing. And you have no respect or anything, you doing this in front of your mom, you doing this with your mom, with your kid, with it by yourself, you don't care. We literally seen the video of her concealing whatever in her bag in the shopping cart. The kid is right in the shopping cart. Damn, man. Gotta grow up, man. Like, for real, for real.
Get you out of here as fast as possible.
If you go with us, it's our fingerprints.
As long as Cook County says I can let you go within the court date, then you'll be out of here in like
We're gonna take her so we can get this going, and then I'll go in with you and get everything that you need. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, I'm
I just need
gonna.
a picture of her before I can.
Okay, look, you want to take a picture of her real quick? This is loss prevention from Target, if you didn't know.
Yeah, it's completely up to them.
I'm just gonna
I mean, but you.
Yeah, we're gonna allow her
You've
to
seen it.
let you know.
You've seen it.
Yeah.
Before? Oh.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
It just depends on when the warrant's from.
You said I gotta do the stupid handcuff thing. It's rules, and my boss is standing right next to me, so we'll do it in the front, though, okay? I'll be cool, sis.
Mom, we're gonna go to the South Elgin Police Station.
Okay.
I don't know if you have stuff that you need to go do or want to take care of the baby. We can call you, have her call you as soon as we figure it out. Or you can go to the police station and wait inside the lobby until we have an answer. It's up to you.
I'll definitely just wait on.
For her to get a hold of you?
Well, I definitely need to take care of her.
Yeah,
She
for
can't
sure.
be in
I
the
think she
car.
just dropped it. Okay. Yeah, I know it's hot. We're not trying to inconvenience you, but we got to take her.
The woman was charged with retail theft and taken to jail. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.
Just dumb. Just dumb. You going to jail for dumb shit. Just stupid. Stealing what? Like, nobody likes a thief, man. I'm trying to tell you. No one likes a thief. Anyway, yeah, that's the video. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.